Hello guys, this is another PK TV Productions. This is the iPad Pro, the 11-inch, and let's see those accessories in 3, 2, 1. Right, here are the accessories here. We've got our smart portfolio, we've got our new Apple Pencil as you can see right there, so in all of its glory. Let's take a look at the actual iPad and see what we have. So it's the 11-inch here. This is cellular version, so LTE enabled. The 11-inch, this comes in silver, so we just need to pull this tab and see what's inside. Here is the iPad Pro. As you can see right here, there's the magnetic charging port for the new Apple Pencil. There's the camera at the back there, so it's the silver edition. We can see 2 speakers at the bottom of the USB-C port, the other 2 speakers and more mics, as well as the SIM card slot right there, because this is the cellular version. And as you see, the speakers and the antenna grills right there. As you can see, documentation, so the general iPad Pro stuff right there in the flesh. So warranty information, also SIM card ejector because it's the cellular version, and of course Apple stickers. So that is it. Let's take a look at whatever accessories we have. So we got our USB-C cable here, very first time with the iPad Pro, as well as our Australian wall charger. Obviously we don't get the universal charger we used to got in previous years, so we have a fixed charger. It looks very much like the Pixel charger. Now let's have a look and power this baby on. Right, so I'm just going to go through the general setup here. So this is the iPad Pro, the 11-inch model, so I opted for the 11-inch this time around. So let's take a look at a few features here, so while I connect up to the setup and also have a look at a few features here. So we've got edge-to-edge screen here, we've got our FaceTime capabilities, we've got pretty much everything you would ever want on an iPhone 10 on an iPad now, so we have a very good iPad. So let me just do a backup here and we'll take a look at a few other features and accessories. Here it is, the second generation Apple Pencil. So let's take a look at this particular one. So this is the magnetic charge wirelessly charges on the side, as well as it gives you automatically wireless connection. So there's no more taking a cap off and putting it into the lightning port, because there is none. So this works completely wireless over the side magnets, and there's the old one as you can see right there. It was a bit longer. It was a bit clunkier. It was more like a big pen, a very slippery pen. But you can see it's slightly smaller, obviously, from the old one. Let's take a look inside, and we just simply pull this tab in true Apple style. And boom, we have what we need. So let's take this out and see what we have. We have designed from Apple in California, like on every product from Apple. So let's take a look at what we have in the top here. You can see there is the pencil, but let's see what documentation we have here. So we have the pencil documentation, and we also have a quick guide there. We've also got, that seems to be it. There's no extra tips or anything like that like we had in the previous version. So this is the Apple Pencil right here. Let's take this out. I'm just having a look to see if there's actually any tips. It doesn't seem to be, so it's just pretty much an instruction manual, and that's pretty much it. You just get instruction manuals and you just get the pencil itself. So here is the pencil itself. I'll just get off that plastic and we'll take a look at the case. Here it is. So there's the pencil in all of its glory. Very nice looking pencil. You can see the pencil logo in the corner there. You can see a pencil-like grip with that square shape at the side there. So it looks and feels really nice. Right, let's take a look and see how it fits on the iPad. So I'm just going to put it on the side here. So it's still restoring, but as you can see, we can move it to the side, and there is a section, as you can see, the magnetic section here for actual wireless charging. So all you really need to do is when you have it turned on, you just snap it to the side, and it really is pretty simple. It lines up the magnets exactly, and it just holds there. Pretty much, that's how it pretty much functions. The case is fully magnetic, obviously, and we'll get to that in a sec. But that is the Apple Pencil, second generation, and that's how it works. I will show you how it works later, but let's unbox the actual smart case. Right, here is the smart folio. So this is the smart case, but for the 11-inch, and there's also one for the 12-inch. As you can see right here, it's got the industrial design of the iPad, so you know it's definitely for the 11-inch. Very thin form factor, and I think it's one of the thinnest cases Apple's ever come out with. So if we just open this up as usual, so this retails for about obviously 119 Australian dollars. That includes taxes, obviously. So pretty slim design. There's not really much else to look here. It doesn't give you any documentation or anything like that, but it's fairly simple. There's a bit of foam in there, but we'll just take it out and we will put the iPad in it. So if we open this up, it's just all magnets. So all we have to do is lay it down. It's got a nice fabric inside like all the smart covers, but you don't have to worry about that because it's very durable. It's a leather case, obviously, so let's see what this thing actually works like. So you take your iPad and you pretty much place it as quick as you can, and it snaps into place very easily, very quickly to put on. You don't have to worry about anything. It's very sturdy too, so it will stay there in place. As you can see right there, it's snapped and aligned very well. So that's the case itself. Very nice case indeed, very thin case. And it looks like we've got at the startup screen there, so we'll be able to look at the iPad itself. But it's a smart cover, so it has magnets, so it will sleep and wake when you open it, and it provides you with a stand also, as you can see right there. Very easy to use, like any other smart cover. It's a really good cover. So that's pretty much the iPad Pro as itself, and I'll see you guys later. Cheers.